All right. So with that being said, let's segue to the next section. Okay. All right. So we're gonna do a brief Q&A, and then we're actually gonna wrap this up because I'll be traveling to Europe after a long time, last minute travel. So I will be in Paris for the Ethereum CC blockchain conference. So if you to all our friends in Paris, to mon ami. Very, very excited to be there. So hopefully we'll catch you there. I'm not sure if we'll be able to host an event because I know the COVID regulations there are pretty strict. But if you're there for the conference, definitely contact us. All right. With that being said, the first question is: Hi, is this a good time to invest in Casper Labs? Okay, very good question. Very good question. Let's go to Bill. Is now a good time to invest in Casper Labs?
Okay, so let's talk about Casper. Let me just share my screen. Okay, so there's a saying about bottom picking is an expensive sport. Okay? And when you have something like this that, has gone down as much as it has, like you can't even keep the whole chart on the screen. All right. You can bottom fish in Casper Lab at 6 cents, but you can't be upset if it goes to 3, right? Generally speaking, I would be more constructive on this if it held like around 7 cents. So above 7 cents, you could have some confidence that say the bulls were in charge. That's the 62% retracement of the recent up move. So clearly there's people out there who want to buy this. The big question with Casper is, is there going to be another flush lower in the broader crypto market? I would much prefer to buy Casper if it was moving through 7 cents strongly rather than buy it as it slumps just below it.
All right. Thank you, Bill. Forrest, what do you think about Casper Labs?
Yeah, so Casper's an amazing project, and it does have a very low market cap right now at I believe 62 million, 63 between 62 and 63 million in market cap. However, the issue is it's got roughly 8 to 9% of its supply circulating right now. So it really comes down to the token emission schedule. And I'm not sure exactly when more Casper tokens are coming out, but anytime the supply or the circulating supply increases, that's going to create negative pressure on price action. So do I think, at 62, $63 million, do I think Casper could potentially be undervalued and maybe it rallies really sharply and we see it give amazing returns? Sure. And I think you could make the argument that maybe it makes sense to start making small purchases of Casper, but I wouldn't be diving all in right now with only 9% of the tokens circulating. And I would do my own research on the token emission schedule, right? Before, and then the other thing is, as far as where it finds support, I would look potentially for it to find support at around whatever the private sale price was at, through CoinList. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I want to say it was 3 cents. So if Casper's trading at 7 cents right now, I would imagine there's going to be some pretty decent support in some way or another at around whatever the token sale price was. So I would maybe look at that as a potential bottom as well.
All right. Thank you, Forrest. Yeah, I would say right now it's definitely very tough to say. The technology is good. It's definitely not anywhere close to Ethereum in terms of adoption, because one thing is having the actual technology, then also getting developers to build on your platform and in the ecosystem. However, with that being said, it is on my watch list of projects to watch. We think there could be some possible upside, as Forrest mentioned. Market cap right now is around 62 million, which seems good. However, as Forrest mentioned, the supply, right? Right now, basically a tenth of the tokens are actually out there. So if anything, I would just watch this because right now this is down 94% from the all-time high. and it's down 75% in 1 month, right? So we basically called this right by being patient and not buying this, right? Because at the end of the day, it's not just about finding great projects; it's about finding a great entry. And although this was a great project, the entry was not there, right? And we've been proved right by saving all this, right? Now, if as first mentioned, I think maybe now could be a time to start slowly accumulating over time, right? Maybe every month or every quarter you buy some. Like today, it's down 25%, right? So like that to me is actually very very attractive. However, I don't have any plans to buy just yet. If anything, for me, I'm probably going to wait until there's some kind of upcoming catalyst event in their roadmap. Maybe some projects building, maybe some dexes on their platform or something. Right now, I'm not seeing any catalyst event that's going to keep the price up in the short term to midterm, right? So as a result, I expect this to keep on getting pummeled. So hopefully that answers your question.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.